Hello everybody, this is Taylor Brown with Syncretic 3D. I have lots in store for you in 2020. During my break, I've been sketching out what the future of this channel will look like in the new year. I'm currently building a completely new educational model that will guide me in how to teach 3D arts. Beyond a new name and a branding overhaul, this model consists of what I call the sketching process and the artistic process. The sketching tutorials will be a more refined version of what I've already been producing for the past year and will be available for free on my channel. For the art tutorials, we will take what we learn and apply it practically on large projects. These will be available to you on my Patreon. Content there at patreon.com/syncretic3d will start sometime early next year. More details on that in the coming weeks. For until the end of the year, my iWay 5K shader package will be available as a one-time payment of $50, as opposed to its inclusion in the Emerald membership on Patreon, which is per month. Anyone who buys it sometime between now and before the next year will be able to download all future updates for free. All links are below. Alright, I'll see you all in 2020. Have a great day and happy holidays.